they asked me. Senior practice. Yeah. They were asking me what class. I said plus 30. And I said you have a plus 40. Hey, cut it out.
They're pressing the horn.
Yeah, plus 40.
Plus 40. This is what Jason's taking out to go riding today. Hell yeah.
This is the trial run. We're going to test it out. Give our review. See how. I already know how it's going to be. I just can't wait to ride it so I can confirm it.
Hey guys, what's tonight?
It's the Lawrence Brothers Ride Night. So it means we get to ride for free and, I don't know, ride for free. Long enough probably like $10 or something. Yeah. Yeah. I think if I ever need to have wet feet and
There's Jason. He's getting ready to go out and go ride. So how did it go?
I can't believe how good this thing corners. I mean, it is so much easier to corner on this thing on my bike. If you'd have been standing here when I pulled off, the first thing I would have said was, why is it so good? Don't get me wrong, I like my bike, but this thing, I like how hard it accelerates and you're not ever shifting or I never once touched the rear brakes because it kind of decels anyways. Yeah. And I'm not used to the front brake or the rear brake. Yeah. I use the front brakes, but I never touched the rear brakes. And I almost grabbed the clutch once. Yeah. Because a guy fell. Yeah. And I went to grab. I was like, oh yeah, I better not do that. Get out of there, Chloe.
No. Well, the good thing is, if you grab it, it's just gonna lock up the rear wheel. It'll just be like slamming the rear brake.
It's not like the front brake.
Not like a front, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So that's my other bike.
Okay.
So I'm, but it's like.
Day in the Dirt, sign up for that, guys. That is next weekend here at Dade City. So if you want to be a spectator, please come on by. We'll have tickets for that as well. So that's going to be a super epic time out here at Dade City. Like I said, it's going to be Day in the Dirt. It's 3 to 4 days of just nothing but riding and good old time as you ride on the motocross track, the street, and 2 other little surprises that Randy will have for you. But again, registration for Day in the Dirt is next, everybody. Huge shout out to the Lawrence Brothers. Again, we couldn't do this night without you dudes. Thanks for getting out there on the CRF 125 and showing how things rip. And just an epic time, man, for you guys to put this on for y'all. The Red Bull free ride for you guys. So thanks Red Bull, the Lawrence Brothers. We're going to be leaving here soon, so time to say some goodbyes tonight and all that good stuff, guys. But huge shout out to the don't forget, next weekend is Day in the Dirt. What an epic. A lot of good videos of how much fun they actually have out here. And it's just a way to celebrate with the boys on the 2 wheels, man. So get your dirt scooters next weekend. Registration will end Sunday night, so don't miss out. That is Red Bull Team Dirt next weekend, guys. And again, thanks for the Lawrence Brothers for the ride day here at Dade City. And guys, be sure to check out DadeCityMX.com. Much more stuff to come this year. It's the 45th annual ride series this year, so lots of epic stuff planned for you guys. We have an RJ Inspire event coming up here shortly, so stay tuned for that at DadeCityMX.com too. And also, Day in the Dirt, hard enough, it's a party on 2 wheels. So you guys want to come check it out next weekend.
Crazy how many people are here today. It's not as busy as it was last time when the Lawrence brothers were here, but it's still definitely packed. I got you guys.
Don't want a nation under the new media. And can you hear the sound of the stereo? The subliminal mind fuck America. Now everybody to the propaganda. So what if we have candidates? One nation.
Stay over here. Bye. So we are on the other side of the track. Hopefully we can get some good footage over here. Because there's so many people out here, they're actually splitting the classes up. So we're waiting until after this class is done, and then Jason and his class, they're finally gonna go. So they had to split his class into 2 different parts. That's why this is taking so long, because it's already almost 9 o'clock at night, and he hasn't even gone a second time. That's how many people are here. That's how many people come out here when the Lawrence brothers come to town. Jason's all the way out there somewhere in this class. Crazy how many people are here. Oh, there's Dad. He's over here. There he is. I didn't see him take off. Don't touch me.